one base color of white. That's one way of doing it, just going round the water on the very surface. Remember not to squeeze the paint out, otherwise it does sink. So a very gentle squeeze as you're going around the water. We're going to use fuchsia, violet and blue in one small drops in one specific area. Now they will open up at their own speed. Each color we put on will open at different speeds because each color has its own speed opening process. A bit of blue. You'll notice the colors are floating towards the sides again. Again, you can use the same background color. Go all the way around now. Same system, but a bit slower. Make sure you're going right round the perimeter. And you'll notice the colors will now compress back to the center, which is quite soothing and calming and relaxing to watch. We're going to do floral patterns by using a basic cocktail stick. I'm going to drag the paint into the center of the circle. That's 1, 2, and there's all kinds of flowers out there. All we are doing is dragging a straight line to the center of the color and twisting the middle. We can pull them out. It's quite fun to do that. And do some twirls. And now we have a lovely little design, which we're going to print on fabric. White, cotton, 100% cotton. We sell this on our website. It's a very good absorbency. It absorbs into the fibers in seconds, and you have a complete marble print, which is sealed into the fibers in a second or two. This is now going to drip dry on the side, and we'll basically rinse it under a tap at the end of the session. So that is a design using 3 colors, which is all sorted. And I'm going to do another one. We're going to do as many as we can with these 3 colors. I'm going to just concentrate on some flowers. So again, there's a bit of white left in there, but I'm going to do a little bit more white to enhance that surface tension of white. We're going to now add another 3 drops. Of each chosen color. So this is going to be a quilt with these 3 colors in 2 different variations of designs. Pretty much a sort of a similar process. Each design you make is unique, never the same. So no boredom here. You are going to create an amazing work of art, no matter how you put it together. If you follow the simple structure I'm doing, you'll get something similar but never the same. So these flowers are going to be different to the first range of flowers. You can see it's compressing as we speak. So it's looking lovely as it is. You can print it as and when you like. There's no right and wrong way of doing this. We're just giving you some guidelines on printing on fabric, which is washable in your washing machine on a gentle cycle. We're going to maybe do flowers on the sides. And maybe a couple of twirls in the middle. There we go, that looks lovely. Again, print number 2. Again, a white 100% cotton. We sell this online if you'd like some. This is sealed in. So the paint won't run off. The paint's already sealed into the fabric. It is a rinsing under the tap to get rid of the gloopy water, and then you dry iron it for about 5 to 10 seconds. After that, you can wash these in the washing machine on a gentle cycle. So we've got our two little prints. We're going to go for number 3. Again, there's still white left behind. I can still use that white. Just maybe add a little bit more to it. I'm going to do one more flower pattern. Again, pop in the fuchsia. I'm just doing 3 little circles at a time. Now you notice I'm not using much paint at all. The colors are coming out really quickly because they flow out because of gravitational pull. The paints will flow straight out of this pipette without any fuss at all. So again, just be gentle with your colors. Make sure you don't squirt them out, otherwise they will sink. Again, something very similar. We've got our pink, our fuchsia rather, our violet and our blue. And we're going to try a slightly different flower. Again, if you don't find they don't push away from the sides, just give it a bit more white and it'll pull to the center again. This time we're going to pull the paint out of the circle and then back into the center of the circle. Now all these little designs and techniques we teach online for free. You're welcome to watch them. We have a book that's published called The Introduction to Marbling for Fun, and that'll teach you 24 different patterns step by step. It's a very handy book to go by because you can go at your own pace and each design you make is unique. So again, we're just pulling the paint out. It's called a star flower. It's one of the patterns in the book. And you've got your star flowers. Again, we can make a couple of doodles, which is pretty cool. And then we have another beauty. Again, this is another print on fabric, 100% cotton, which is a very good cotton we sell online if you'd like some. It goes and absorbs in, and it seals in very, very quickly. So that's our print number 3. This time, we're going to breach into a different color range, but you'll see that in the next video. Thank you for watching.